What if I told you that your life can completely change in the next 7 days? Not next year, not someday, but this week. Most people waste years waiting for motivation, waiting for the perfect time. But the truth is, your future can shift in one decision made today. And if you stay with me for the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Before we go deeper, take 1 second to like this video and subscribe to Growverse, because this channel is built to push you beyond your limits and help you become the strongest version of yourself. Day 1 starts with something uncomfortable. You have to tell yourself the truth. No excuses. No blaming your past. No blaming your parents, your job, or your situation. Stand in front of a mirror and admit where you are in life. Are you disciplined? Are you consistent? Are you proud of your habits? Most people avoid this step because it hurts, but clarity creates power. When you face reality, you take control. Day 2 is about cutting one toxic habit, not 10. Just one. Maybe it's scrolling for hours. Maybe it's sleeping too late. Maybe it's negative self-talk. You don't need a perfect routine overnight. You just need one powerful removal. When you remove one bad habit, you create space for growth. Day 3. Wake up 1 hour earlier. That single hour is your new advantage. No phone, no distractions. Use it to plan your day, move your body, or learn something valuable. That quiet morning hour will start building confidence because you're finally doing something most people want. Day 4. Take action on something you've been avoiding. Send the message. Start the project. Go to the gym. Apply for the opportunity. Action destroys fear. The longer you wait, the bigger fear becomes. The moment you move, fear shrinks. Day 5. Upgrade your environment. Clean your room. Organize your workspace. Unfollow negative accounts. Your environment shapes your mindset more than you realize. When your space looks better, your mind feels clearer. Day 6. Do something that scares you socially. Speak up. Share your opinion. Post that idea. Growth is uncomfortable, but confidence is built through small acts of courage repeated daily. Day 7. Reflect and lock it in. Look at what changed in just 1 week. You wake up earlier. You removed a bad habit. You took action. You faced fear. That's not a small shift. That's identity change. And identity change is how real transformation happens. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your life doesn't change because of motivation. It changes because of standards. In 7 days, you won't become perfect, but you will become someone who keeps promises to yourself, and that alone separates winners from everyone else. If this message hit you, comment 7 days below so I know you're serious. Share this video with someone who needs a wake-up call. And remember, the next 7 days will pass anyway. The shocking question is this: when they're over, will you still be the same person, or will you finally become someone your future self is proud of?